Good morning, children. So we are back. With our videos and the live sessions in the new year 2022. I wish you all a very happy new year 2022 and hope it will bring lots of good health and resume our lives back to normal. We will see you all to the regular schools soon. But till then, the education has to continue and we are doing the same. Now here, this video is about geometry. If you all remember, before the vacation, I had asked you all what doubts you all have. I had made a note on that points, and this video is according to your doubts. Okay, so we are going back to the chapter geometry and we will revise, and plus of course your doubts will be cleared here. So first thing first is in geometry, the first thing that we have is a dot, a point, or a vertex. The basic shape that is available is a dot, a vertex, or a point which has no dimension. But everything starts from this vertex. If the vertex is not there, then you cannot do any geometrical figure. Now, what is a vertex? Now, this is a vertex. These red dots, they represent the vertices of any particular shape. When we start connecting these vertices, we make different shapes. Now, that shape can be it can be a straight line also. It can be a line segment. It can be a starting ray from a point. But you can, like, you see, if I'm clicking and selecting, okay, right? So you can see the different shapes are being formed and you can connect these vertices. Okay, sorry. So these were the vertices, the basic dimension of geometry, which doesn't have any dimension actually. It has got 0 dimension. Now let's see what is a ray. A ray is an endless straight path and can be extended in one direction only. Simple example I had given you, sun rays. It is an endless straight path and can be extended in one direction only. A ray starts from the sun. So that sun is the vertex. It starts from it and it keeps on extending. You cannot catch hold of those rays. That's why they are called as rays. Line is an endless straight path with no end points. A straight line extends in both directions. You can see it cannot be measured, but of course you have to remember one thing, that there are lots and lots of points, dots, vertices on this ray. There are lots of points, vertices on this line also. A line segment is a part of line with two end points. Now line segment is something that can be measured. Point B, point Q. It starts at P, it ends at Q. Okay, and this particular segment, this distance between P and Q can be measured. Children, I'm not going into deep too much because all this have been discussed. The exercises have been done with you. Okay. Now, curved line, object similar to line but need not be straight, and it's a curved line. Any zigzag, not sorry, zigzags are straight, but of course not in one direction, but then curves. You can see this curve is there. Okay. What is a circle? I'm made up of curved line. I'm like a ball. I have no sides. I have no vertices. I am a curved line, starting at one point and ending at the same point. Lines, angles, and rays. But we are going to discuss only lines, that is line AB. Okay, how it is written. You have to see how it is written. AB जो दो पॉइंट्स है, कोई भी दो पॉइंट्स हम लोग लाइन पे पिक कर सकते हैं एंड वी कैन राइट लाइन AB और उसके ऊपर we put a dash and we put two arrows at the two ends. If you can see properly here, the two dash and two arrows at the two ends that represents line AB. A and B are the 2 points. As I said, there are too many points. There are too many points on that line. Okay, you can pick any 2 points towards the selected ends and then write it. Now let's see. CD is a line segment. CD is a line. Just a moment, children. Just a moment. Sorry. CD is a line segment. Line segment. C. Take the two endpoints which you're going to measure and you write a dash above those 2 points. C, D, if you can see here. E, F. Oh, sorry, children. Sorry. E, F. Okay, is a ray. E is the starting point. F can be any point towards the ray. And I have picked up EF. And when you write ray EF, you show the ray in a smaller version above EF. Okay, with a one single arrow towards F, over F, because the ray is extending in that direction. E starting point है, तो E के ऊपर एरो नहीं लगा सकते आप, F के ऊपर एरो लगाएंगे बिकॉज वो शो करेगा कि F के डायरेक्शन में आपका रे इज एक्सटेंडिंग. Please understand this, children. Many children who are lefties or have a habit, they कैसे भी लगा देते हैं एरो के ऊपर, ई एफ के ऊपर. बट आपका जो एरो लगेगा वो एफ के ऊपर लगेगा, ई के ऊपर नहीं लगेगा. Why? Because E is a starting point. It is not extending in E direction, it is extending in F direction. So the arrow will also come in the F direction. Please remember that, children. Now the measure of AB is equals to 6 centimeter. Here there is a segment AB. The starting point is A and the ending point is B. And if I put a scale at A, the 0 point at A, and here, sorry, it should be 8 centimeter. I wrote it wrong. It should be 8 centimeter. So the measure of AB is 8 centimeter. I'll show you one video here, children, how to measure a line segment. We cannot measure a line, we cannot measure a ray, but we can measure a line segment because it has got two end points. So let's see how we can do that. This was one of the doubts that was asked by students. So I'm sharing it with you all. So if you see there is a segment here AB, if you see there is a segment here AB, and there is a ruler that I have. Just hold on, children. There is a segment A, B. The starting point is A and there is the ending point B. There is a ruler that I have. I'm going to pick up the ruler, keep 0 at A, and let's see where does the B point reach. Let's see here. Okay. No, you cannot keep any point 2 or 1 or 3 like that. No, it has to be 0 at the starting point A. And then if you see the red arrow there, the ending point is at B, is the B, and which is at 5 centimeter. So AB is equals to 5 centimeter. Okay. Now, so I hope you all have understood how you all can place a ruler and check and measure a segment length. Open shape, you all know it very well. Something which starts at a point and does not end at that point are all open shape. There can be curve, there can be straight paths. Closed shape, which starts at a point and ends at that point. The shape that is called as closed shape, it can be with a line segment, it can be with a curve. But a simple curve or a simple closed curve, again, it starts at a point and it ends at the point without intersecting each other. Okay, without intersecting each other. If you look at the previous slide, children, their intersection is there. Okay, intersections are there like this one, the intersection is there. But for the simple curve or a simple closed curve, there will be no intersection. There will be no intersection. So they will be called as simple curve or simple closed curve. Simple curve is this. It may not be starting at a point and ending at the same point, but they are not intersecting. Okay, it may not be starting at a point and ending at the same point, but surely they are not intersecting each other. Okay, but here this is this should not be there. Okay, so if you see, this cannot be a part of your simple curve or simple closed curve. It should have been in the earlier slide. Okay, it should have been in your earlier slide, that is this one here, close shaped. Okay, so this is a close shaped, this is a close shape, not a simple curve or a simple close curve. Please make a note of that. Now let's see the next one. These are again closed shaped, made up of no curves, only line segment. These are closed shaped, starting from a point, ending at a point, made up of line segment only, no curves at all. And these are called as polygons. What are they called as? They are called as polygons. Children, I hope y'all can now differentiate between a open shape, closed shape, starting from a point, ending at a point, but they can intersect each other. They can be made up of line or curves. Simple closed curve, they are made up of line segments or curves, but they don't intersect each other. So in this case, the star is not a simple closed curve. These particular diagrams, if you look, they are all made up of line segments. No curves are there. They are not intersecting. They are starting from a point and ending at a point. Okay. So these are called as polygons. And depending on the number of sides they have, they are given name. If it's a three-sided figure, it will be called as a triangle. If it's a four-sided figure, it will be called as a quadrilateral. If a five-sided figure, a pentagon. Six-sided figure, a hexagon. Seven-sided figure, a septagon. Octagon, nanogon, decagon. So like this, they are named. But really, you don't have to remember all these names. Up to six, if you remember, it's okay. Okay. In the textbook also, there is one exercise given where we are naming the polygons depending on the number of sides. We are counting the number of sides and naming the polygons. Now, here we are coming to a line segment example. Not including the intersection, find all the line segments. Not including the intersection, the point of intersection is E. आप अगर दो लाइन सेगमेंट्स देखते हैं ए बी एंड सी डी और डी सी, तो आप देख रहे हैं दे और coinciding, they are colliding with each other, intersecting with each other at E. So they are saying don't count the intersection point and name the line segment. So of course in इसको without consider करते हुए, don't think that E exists there. You tell us the line segment. So you have AB, you can call it as BA also, and you have DC, you can call it as CD also. ठीक है, रे में आप उल्टा नहीं रीड कर सकते हैं, बाकी लाइन और लाइन सेगमेंट में आप AB पढ़ो या BA पढ़ो, DC पढ़ो या CD पढ़ो, it's okay. Including the intersection, find the opposite rays. Sorry, find the opposite rays. So EC, okay, EA, EB, ED, they are all opposite rays. ED ka opposite is EDEC, EA का opposite is EB. ठीक है, उसके बाद में is AE equal to AB? Is AE equal to AB? No. Sorry, AE equal to AE equal to AB. They are talking about in terms of rays. Okay, they are talking in terms AE. One second. There is something wrong here. Is AE. No, let's not put this question. It's an ambiguous question. It's an ambiguous question. Let's not consider this question at all. What is the length of the line segment AB? What is the length of the line segment AB? It is equal to the distance between the 2 points, that is AB. Okay, it is the distance between the 2 points, that is AB. Actually, you should write here length of AB or distance between the point AB. We can write it like that. It will be more understandable. Okay. So here, children, I'm ending my video. My next video will be based on how to draw a circle with a given radius. That was the doubt given by the children. And of course, in the live sessions, if you are attending it properly, I'm going to do it in class with the children. So if that time you are attending it properly, you will understand. But of course, otherwise the video will be coming to you. That will be how to draw a circle of a given radius, and plus one or two more topics will be included in your video according to the doubts what you all had asked me. Okay, so please keep watching and do attend the live sessions every day. At least something will sink in whatever there may be network issues, there may be some other kind of issues, but कुछ तो आप सुनेंगे और कुछ तो आप समझेंगे. So please try to attend the live sessions every day. Try to listen and try to understand. Don't completely depend on the videos, children. Till then, have a good day. I'll see you all tomorrow for the live sessions and we will learn more there. Okay, children? Thank you. Have a good day.